there, crafty friends. Welcome to today's episode of Paper Craft Your Year. We're going to be doing a gift card holder today. Just showing you some of the pieces that we're going to be using. We've got this pretty yellow floral inside this card base that I've made with some robin's egg color vibe. We've got a cut apart from the cut apart sheet, a couple pieces of that pretty pink and cream polka dot paper, and then some warm white color vibe cardstock as well. So those are the pieces that we're going to be using, and we are going to make a really cute pop-up gift card holder with these pieces. So we are going to do some scoring really quick. You can see, again, I've already decorated the inside, so we're just going to add these cute little kind of boxes to hold the gift card inside. So when you open up the card, it's going to pop up. So let's do some scoring really quick. 2 pieces of paper. I will put the measurements and the scoring directions in the description box. So we're going to take these papers and we're going to score them at 1 inch, 2 inches, and 3 inches. Set that one aside really quick and we'll do that other piece of paper. Exact same scoring. 1 inch, 2 inches, and 3 inches. Let's go ahead and grab our bone folder here, and we're going to make these score lines nice and crisp so we can make our box. If you guys enjoyed these projects, I really hope that you have. I think they're just a fun way to be able to add a little bit of variety to basic gift giving. It's always fun to have a little personalized touch when you give gifts, like gift cards and things like that. So we're going to go ahead and add some score tape on these pieces here. We're going to add some on the top box that we scored and on the bottom box that we scored. You can absolutely use liquid glue if you want to. I just had the tape handy, so we're going to use tape. Again, just on that top scored box and on the bottom scored box. Let's go ahead and move this to the side for a second. And then we'll gather our pieces. Oh, we do need to do a little bit more scoring. We do have one more little piece to score that is going to hold. It's a little envelope that holds our gift card. So we're going to score this. I believe this is like a 3.5 inch piece, so we'll score it at 1 3/4. And then, like I said, this is a little envelope for the gift card. So I'm going to take my glue and we're going to go ahead and add a little strip here along these edges to seal up this little envelope to put the gift card in. Make sure those are straight. Let the glue set for just a second. We're going to take, I'm going to take my 1 inch circle punch and we're just going to punch a notch right there in the center. And that way you'll be able to pull the gift card out a little bit easier. Set that aside for just a second. So let's go in and go ahead and put together our pop-up mechanism for the inside of this card. I've made these cards before and I really enjoy the pop-up feature. I think they add a lot of interest and are super fun for the recipient to get those. So all I'm doing is adding, I took the tape off, I'm adding the box right above the center score line, and then just kind of fold it over, make a little tube, press it down, and you can see we've got our first box there. Now we're going to bring in our envelope, add some adhesive on the back of there, and then we're just going to center that into the middle of that first box. Right about there. And you could absolutely kind of stop there, but I like the kind of double box look here with the gift card envelope sandwiched in between. So again, we're going to take this second piece and remove the adhesive. And then we're going to line it up with the box that we already made. Make sure it's a little tricky to get straight on there. Luckily, the score tape I used was a little forgiving. And we're just going to squish those together, close that. So you can see we've got a really fun pop-up feature, which is great for giving a gift card. A little more interesting than just an envelope. So you can go ahead and see where the gift card goes. Right in there. Very fun card. Let's decorate it up just a little bit. We've got some stickers from the sticker sheet. A big heart that says love you. We've got this cute little floral cluster and a circle sticker with a butterfly on it. And then one of the sticker sentiments. This is my hero, my mom. Very pretty blue. That will fit perfectly right there. Let's go ahead and close that up, and you can see the pop-up feature a little bit there in the back. Let's go ahead and decorate the front of our card. So like I said, this is a cut apart from the 4x6 card from the cut apart sheet. Trimmed down just a little bit to fit on our card front. And we're going to decorate it up just a little bit. So I went ahead and fussy cut a couple of yellow flowers from this pattern paper. Added some foam tape on the back, and then we will just decorate it up a little bit just to add some pops of color. It's a fun way to add a little variety to those 4x6 cards. You can dress them up really cute. And the fussy cutting wasn't too bad. I know sometimes people don't love to fussy cut, but this one wasn't too bad with these big yellow flowers. And then I decided to be a little crazy, and I wanted to add these tiny little flowers. Don't ask me why. I just thought they were cute because I liked that they were that light pink color. That's the same color as the Ever there on the card. So I'm just going to use my little pickup tool, and we're going to place these little tiny flowers onto the card front surrounding the yellow flowers. And the first one, I got a little bit of extra glue, so we'll wipe that off in a second. Don't need that much glue for these little tiny flowers. But I really liked the way that these looked, and they add, again, a little pop of light pink in, there we go, along with the yellow flowers too. Super cute. Let's add a couple more. And it's kind of funny, the tiny flowers weren't really hard to cut out, and so people are probably thinking, Tia, you're crazy, those are tiny. Why would you do that? But they actually weren't too bad. They were kind of right next to the yellow flowers. And so it was just a matter of trimming them out just a little bit. And I always struggle with placement of things sometimes. And so I'm going to maneuver this little bottom flower around just for a second because it's not laying where I want it to. This little pickup tool is handy for maneuvering the small little things. And then I should have used my hot glue or a glue dot, but I didn't have any handy. So again, we're just going to add a little bit of dimension here with this wood button tied with some thin gold thread. And then kind of hold it down for a second, but it wasn't really sticking very good. So again, I'm not a patient crafter. Lesson learned. I just need to use my hot glue. We're going to go ahead and add that panel to the front of the card. And trying to get that lined up is a little tricky because of the pop-up mechanism in the card. So it's taken me just a second, but once we get it straight on there, it's going to look really cute. So there we go. There is the front of that card. Now this is the landscaped version of this pop-up, and then as you can see, there's the inside with the card, and then the outside all decorated. I also did a portrait version using another one of the 4x6 cut aparts. And like I said, I will put the measurements for these in the description box below so you can recreate these if you'd like. They're a fun way to add a gift card. I have appreciated you guys joining me for this new little venture. Look how fun the pop-up feature is. It's a great little gift for Mom, and I think she'll be surprised. Thank you so much, you guys, for stopping by. I have really appreciated it. Have a great day.